Jaffle, chicken soup, and rugby. What a day. And by the way, we lost the rugby last night. Okay, just started the fire, and happy Father's Day. Good day world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Okay, today is Monday. It was a public holiday here in South Africa. I didn't finish my videos for whatever, the weekend. So I'm going to show you things. Well, I most likely already showed you things and said Happy Father's Day and all of that for yesterday. But today I want to show you this thing, because on Tuesday, the 18th, it is Stuff We Do's 5th birthday. Okay, so I'm going to have a giveaway in that one. So please make sure that you check on the 18th. Yes, otherwise I'll tell you when we are having it, if I don't have it on that day, because it's a Wednesday, but hopefully. Anyway, what I want to show you today is this marvelous thing. Do you remember Jan Claessen's Wonderful Customs? Okay, I have another one. Actually, I'm going to show you a few more in the next few weeks, but I wanted to show you this one. Now, it came with a cord. It's a gutted piece of paracord that was attached to these through these two things that were tied around my neck, but I carried in my pocket rather. Okay, so it's a nice little slip. But now check out this knife. Oh, this thing is all kinds of fantastic. Okay, we have this beautiful micarta scales. We have brass tubes going straight through. And we have this fantastic hawkbill, karambit, whatever style blade. Okay, focus for me there. Jan Claessen, RSA. But look at the shape on this wicked little knife. Okay, that is fantastic. Okay, so it fits in your hand like this. Okay, which means we have a great 4-finger grip with a little choil there, and then this cutout, apart from looking crazy cool, it's a perfect place for your finger to rest if you want to do things like this. Okay, fits like that beautifully, and it works wonderfully in a reverse grip. Okay, now I love a hawkbill. But the tip on this thing, look at it. That's a little needle. You can do surgery with that. Okay, marvelous little knife. We can still see the rough metal and then this beautiful, almost mirror satin finish on the blade. This thing is wonderful. Okay, so I have been carrying it in my pocket just like this. I just slip it in there and then we are ready to go. Let me quickly show you size on this thing. It doesn't have a name as far as I know. Okay, so it's less than 3 inches the blade. Overall, it is 7 3/4 inches. And in centimeters, blade length is about 7 centimeters, maybe 7.5, and it goes up to 17.5. So it's not a huge knife, but it's definitely big enough to do anything you need to do. Let's compare it to the Freya. Okay, it's a bit smaller than the Freya. But I must say, I really like this little thing. And it's been in my pocket quite a lot. Okay. Okay, there we go. All kinds of marvelousness and all kinds of points of attachments if you want to do that. Okay, let's put it there. Then, just a quick update. I love this thing. I've showed you this thing previously. Go check out the full video of this Bushmaster. But I did make a few tweaks to it over the last while. Okay, so it's a nice black-coated blades, beautiful brass and wood. This thing is just all kinds of fantastic. But the can opener. Okay, I know nobody uses the can openers on these things, but I actually like doing that. So I just ground mine like that because this was very blunt and it was giving you, yeah, it was more like tearing cans than opening them. Now it actually works quite nicely. And then it had this little blade that was not really sharpened, so I used it to strike ferro rods, but I just put an edge on that thing. So here we have a big bevel and a little bevel over there. And now it's actually a very functional little all/small blade. Okay, so I like this thing even more now. Okay, go check the video on this thing, the Bushmaster. Okay, so that's in my jacket pocket over the weekends to do everything. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going back to work. Like I said, the 18th stuff we do birthday. Make sure you check what's happening there. I'm not sure what's going to happen. At this stage, I'm thinking about a giveaway. Maybe do the Okapi giveaway and the stuff we do giveaway all at once. I'll see what I can scrounge up around here. And then it's going to be one of those postnet to postnet videos again. I'm sorry for the international guys, but we don't have a working postal service here in South Africa. So everything is done through private companies. So yeah, if I do a giveaway, it's going to be postnet to postnet again. Okay, now I'm done. All of you, stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Have a fantastic week. Goodbye. Garlic and cheese and garlic, cheese and onion bread. Homemade from a fresh baguette. And beef sausages. Delicious. I hope you had a lovely Father's Day.